Go ahead and create a new file. Turn on the grid. Select Line tool and create a line of length 3 meter. Now we need to create edge from the vertices of this line. Hold Ctrl key and select both vertices. Now create edge for vertices. Hide the line by pressing space. Switch to front view and draw a line perpendicular to the beam. This will be direction vector for the force. Switch to FEM Workbench. Add fixed support to the left vertex. Add concentrated load to the other vertex. The load is pointing upwards, that is in the positive Z. Provide the direction vector to reverse the direction of force. Set material of the beam. Add beam section. This part needs a bit of explanation. In FreeCAD, the dimension perpendicular to working plane is called height. And the dimension in working plane, which is perpendicular to length, is called width. This means the width of beam is to be entered as height in section parameter. Create mesh and ignore the warning. Double-click Calculix Solver and write input file. Then edit input file and change output to 3D. Double-click results to see the result.